Good morning to our honorable judges, the ICC of The Hague. My name is Charlina Yabo, and this video I made it for you, for all to all the judges there, um, for the love of our country, for the love of our former President Rodrigo Rua Duterte. This petition is for our beloved former president to return in our country, Philippines. Now that you have detained him in your facility under ICC, I would like you to know that we are hurt. I'm hurt. All Filipino people are hurt right now, enraged, crying. First of all, the arrest is illegal. Second of all, you there didn't have due process that means we back in the Philippines prior to that kidnapping. We call it kidnapping because there's no due process that has done in our country before you kidnap our former president. Now, all the people in the Philippines are in pain, and we're asking heartily that you make sure that our president, our former president Rodrigo Rua Duterte, is taken care of really well. And we'll make sure that he has warm enough wherever he is right now, where he put clothes and it's cold in there. He has enough clothes, he has socks, enough socks, he has slippers, he has shoes, and you also make sure that he is eating well, and you make sure that he has the right medicine that he's taking. Okay, our former president has already a medical issue, and he made sure that the medicine that he's taking is correct, that because the medication is from Philippines, and we hope and pray that you have consulted his own family doctors what he has taken, what kind of medicine he's taking, and it's not going to be conflicting what you have given him in there. You make sure, we're asking from our heart that you have to take care of him really well, and we want him back in the Philippines. You have no idea, all this chaos going on is all politics. Okay? And our former president, we are so proud of him. I've never been proud in my life until Duterte comes into president. He changed our society, our country. Everyone are happy except the criminals, the drug lords, the terrorists, the NPA, the corrupt people, the smugglers, and the oligarchs that's not paying the right tax in our country. Duterte is a blessing to our country, to the Filipino people. Those people that are not happy are just few, and they are not poor people. They are only. And why are you taking him away from us? He is our tatay in our country. And you have to make sure that you return him to our country as soon as possible. He has done nothing to hurt us. He's protecting, Duterte is protecting us. Our street, our children is safe because of him. Those rapists and drug addicts right now are alive again. They're hurting our kids, they're hurting our women, and kids that are innocent become addicts right now. So please, do not listen just because of politicals. Okay, political, because of the political issue. You should not interfere, first of all, in our country. We have our judges, courts to resolve. If he is against humanity, it should be resolved in our own country. You have no sovereignty in our country. So please, you have to make sure that our former president is, our hearts bled, and we cry so much for this situation right now. And I know you have a heart, and I know you don't want to be ruining your organization as a ICC. And we want a justice for our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Thank you so much. I am a Filipino citizen that loves Duterte, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. I love you, Tatay. Thank you so much for listening to this short video. Thank you.